a woman got a call regarding 2 kittens hiding inside a car. To get these kittens out as soon as possible, she drove to the location where the automobile was located at. Once she'd arrived at the vehicle, she looked inside to see where they may be hiding based on the noises they were making. After that, she started to carefully remove them from the engine of the vehicle. The kittens, a male and a female, were given names.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Can I fit my...
The female kitten, Strut, and the male kitten, Shock. Strut and Shock seemed to be in excellent spirits despite their predicament. They appeared to be unhurt, albeit their fur was stained from the engine's grease and dust. Once she had finally finished their task, the woman secured the kittens in the cage and began to return to home where the kittens were going to stay next. The kittens were tested to find out whether they were carrying any diseases. The woman anxiously awaited the results, hoping for the best.
Trap for the second kitten in the engine. My cat just died, and it looks exactly like me. Yeah. And now you have.
To her immense relief, both Strut and Shock tested negative for FPV. Furthermore, the vet confirmed that neither kitten showed signs of any other illnesses.
Such a good little passenger.
Thanks to the care of the woman, the 2 began to grow and they started exhibiting their distinct personalities.
Did you guys have a weird night?
Strut was more adventurous and energetic. Shock, on the other hand, was playful and loving.
I think you might have.
The woman determined to make sure they got the care they needed.
We had a lot of throw up from both kittens just now, and it could be because they stayed up for the last 2 nights screaming their little heads off, so nobody else in the household could sleep because they're confused and scared, of course. But we're running a pan loop test anyway, just in case.
As they kept growing, the woman recognized it was time to find them a new place to call home.
It was so hot in the car, you guys. Like under the
Now,
hood, it was just
Strut and Shock are healthy, playful, and full of energy.
It was pretty scary. So,
They've both been vaccinated and given a clean bill of health by the vet.
today, even though they're spicy little meatballs.
The woman, having provided them with love and care, is searching for the perfect family to adopt them. It's important to her that they find a home where they can stay together, as their bond is undeniable.
Hi, baby. It's okay. So this one's the boy, and this one's the girl. It's okay. Okay. It's okay. It's not as bad as you thought, huh?
Strut and Shock's rescue was nothing short of a miracle, and they are now eagerly waiting for the day when they'll be welcomed into a loving home, ready to share their love and companionship with their new family.
pretty ridiculous. She loves you too much, Yuki. Too much.
And there's a place that I've dreamed of where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all.
You have it? That's what it's doing. What are they doing, huh, Strutty? Yeah, drama, huh? Little doggy dramas.
Did you enjoy today's story? If you did, please consider giving us a like, tell us what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
You're so funny. You're so